Welcome to the Mr. English channel. My name is Carlos, and today the topic is verb to be. What is verb to be? The verb to be means to exist, to happen, or to have a certain characteristics. In Spanish, it translates ser, estar, o parecer, right? We use it every day. It lives in our language, in our thought. It's like our shadow. But without further ado, let's get started. Verb to be has three different forms: am, is, and are. Am, I am. Is, he, she, it is. Are, you, we, they are. Got it? Okay. Example: I'm a student. I'm a student. She's an influencer. She's an influencer. They are friends. They are friends. Got it? Okay. Now it's your turn. Write a sentence using the verb to be in the comments below. See you next time and follow for more.